Blondie's Garage. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. We're gonna be going on a family cruise. We're gonna be taking the his and hers Type Rs. This is my Type R. It's a 2021 Civic Type R. It's a beautiful car. I can't wait to cruise it around. And the boys are gonna be driving the right-hand drive. It's an Integra Type R. We built this from the ground up, and we cannot wait to go take them out cruising. This is such a beautiful car. They both are. Let's go ahead and hit the road.
Here we go, y'all. Hang on tight. This sunset and the cityscape is epic. I love how this looks.
Alrighty guys, we made it to our first stop, Oklahoma State Capitol. Did you guys have a good drive?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we had a nice cruise. Everything went good.
It was fun.
I know, it's so nice out tonight. It's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun driving the Type R.
The weather feels great out here.
Yeah, it's not too hot and not too cold. Okay, guys.
Alright, you ready to load up?
Stay tuned.
Yeah, let's go cruise some more.
Alright, let's load up. Okay, I'm gonna give the camera to Grayson. He's gonna start filming from now on.
Okay, welcome back to a video of Blondie Garage. We're just heading back home now from cruising, and we're still gonna cruise home, but I just wanted to keep y'all updated and stuff, so sit back and relax and watch these cars cruise. Say bye, Cora. See you on that road. Bye, love you. Okay, we're leaving, guys. Oh yeah, that police officer, he left. I don't know what he went to go do. He probably went to go patrol or something. Look at all the boats. Okay, guys, well, look at those storage crates and stuff. We got Bass Pro. We're passing Bass Pro shop. Okay, guys, we're back. Look at the railroad. We're crossing the railroad. Is Cora back there? You all see Cora? Look at River Sport. making it through downtown onto the highway. Is Cora back there? Let's see if we can see her. I don't see her, guys, but there's a parking garage. There's some building right there, hotel, whatever.
Look at that. Is that a big feather or something?
Oh, look at that big thing, guys. Leave down in the comment what you think it is. I think it might be a feather. I don't know. There's a fire truck, guys. Look at the cool fire truck. Look at the cute little dog. Ooh, guys.
Yeah, they were checking. One of the firefighters was checking out the car.
Yeah.
Looking out his window.
One of the firefighters are looking at the car. That's cool. Okay, guys, this is your final reveal. Do you think that's a feather or not? It looks like. Yeah, I think it's a feather too. But remember, comment down in the link what you think it is. Is Cora back there? Cora's back there, I think. I don't know though. Is she back there? Yeah. She's back there. If y'all see the mirror, y'all can see her. But there's, I don't know what that is. I think that's a hotel down there. I don't know, but it's cool. And then we're just going. Oh, look at that Mustang over there. That was a cool Mustang, wasn't it, guys? Dad, how are you liking the cruise so far?
Oh, I'm loving it. It's fun.
Yeah, me too. It's fun doing this. If y'all have cars and cruise, then y'all might feel just the same. We love cruising sometimes.